Welcome to video O10, Solving System of Linear Congruences. All right, I've got two problems. First problem, solve x is congruent to 2 mod 3, x is congruent to 2 mod 4, x is congruent to 1 mod 5. There are algorithms for doing this. They're kind of messy and complicated. I'm just going to show you guess and check. So all I'm going to do is make a list and see what's in common. I'll start with a larger mod, mod 5. So I'll start my list at 1 and just keep adding cycles of 5. So 6, 11, 16, 21, 26, 31, 36, etc. I'll start at 2 and keep adding 4s. 2, 6. Maybe I'll get lucky and have a 6 up here. Let's check. Start with 2 and add multiples of 3. So add 3, 5, no such luck. I'll continue here until I get a match. So I'm adding 4s, 10, 14, 18, 22, 26. Let's see if we can get a 26 up here. Adding 3s, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20, 23, 26. Very exciting. We have a match. So I'm going to write my answer as x is congruent to 26. The mod's going to be the LCM of these mods, which is 60. Again, LCM of 3, 4, and 5 is 60. And that's the answer. Second problem, solve, then report the answer as the smallest possible value of the absolute value of x. So I don't want the answer in mod form, just the smallest value of the absolute value of x. All right, so I've got x is congruent to 1 mod 3, x is congruent to 3 mod 5, x is congruent to 4 mod 6. I can do the same thing, but if you're smart, you can make an observation here. There's a difference of 2 here, a difference of 2 here, and a difference of 2 here. So I'm kind of dealing with the same quantity, if you will. So what this means is x plus 1 is divisible by 3. I'm sorry, x plus 2. Because it differs by 2. Sorry about that. This means x plus 2 is divisible by 5. And this means x plus 2 is divisible by 6, which means x plus 2 must be divisible by that LCM. So x plus 2 is divisible by the LCM of 3, 5, and 6, least means greatest, is 30. So that means x is congruent to 28 mod 30. However, that's not what they wanted. They wanted the smallest possible value of the absolute value of x. So let me just list some numbers and see how I can get the smallest possible value. So I've got 28, so I'm in mod 30. I can just keep adding 30s, 58, etc. Notice I could also subtract 30s and get negative 2, negative 32, etc. Since they asked for the absolute value of x, this would generate the smallest possible value of that. So in this case, x equals negative 2 is the solution I'm going to pick, and the absolute value of x equals 2. And that's my answer. So there you have it, how to solve systems of linear congruences.